Hello everyone, today we are very excited to showcase our latest product suite, the eRemote TV kit. This comprehensive package includes the eRemote Hub, BLE Remote Pro, BLE Remote Lite, and the LinknLink app, designed to transform your home entertainment experience. First, let's reset the eRemote Hub to factory settings. Simply hold the reset button on the back for more than 5 seconds. When you see the blue indicator light flashing intermittently, it's ready. Next, open the LinknLink app and click the plus icon in the upper right corner. Select Add New Device, choose Accessories, Hubs and Sensors, and then select the eRemote Hub. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on. Select your Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and then click Connect Now. Once the eRemote Hub is connected to your home Wi-Fi, assign it a room and name it. Now, you can control various devices from the eRemote Hub. Go to the eRemote Hub page, select Add Appliance, start adding a TV remote, find Sony TV, and click Can't Find My Model at the bottom to begin testing the recommended options. The app will load IR codes from the cloud, and we need to test their usability. You can see the TV can be successfully controlled. Then click Works Well to confirm using this IR code. If unsuccessful, click Doesn't Work to continue testing other options. Finally, assign a room and name for the TV, completing the addition of the TV remote in the eRemote Hub. We have set-top boxes, light bulbs, and air conditioners in the same way. Next, we will add Bluetooth Remote Lite. First, insert 2 AA batteries into the remote. Then click on BLE Remote connection on the Hub page, select BLE Remote Lite, and follow the prompts to press the left and right buttons simultaneously for Bluetooth pairing. The remote quickly pairs and establishes a connection with the Hub. Select a room and name for the remote. In the app, you can see all the remote buttons, which will be recognized by Alexa or Google Home and can serve as triggers for linkages. Now we enter the remote interface, where we find there are 4 remotes that can be configured. The overall binding of the remote supports only TVS and set-top boxes. Other types of devices require button binding, like light bulbs, where we can bind the left button to turn on and the right button to turn off. Then we name these remotes. Now we can test controlling the TV with the remote. In fact, the remote does not need to be pointed at the TV. To demonstrate the speed of remote control, we bring the images together, and you can see the control is very smooth. How do we switch between different remotes? Short press the voice button, or the R button, then press the volume down on the remote. It's the first remote, and the number is also marked on the side of the button. In the same way, we can switch the other 3 sets of remotes. Now let's look at how it works. The remote connects to the eRemote Hub via Bluetooth, with a maximum distance of 50 meters, so you don't need to point at your appliances. By short pressing the switch button then pressing volume down, select the first remote, so we can control the TV. The eRemote Hub emits the corresponding IR code, with a maximum emission distance of 10 meters. Similarly, we can switch the control panel to control set-top boxes, air conditioners, and fans. You can also create scenes in the app, and then use routines in the app to perform multi-scene capabilities with one button. The eRemote TV kit is a multifunctional programmable remote with more fun features waiting for you to discover.